Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken udon. Japanese udon noodles and chicken thigh pieces are cooked in hot, flavorful broth. It is an easy and light meal, but satisfying enough to stand alone. We originally made this in 2012, and it's been one of the most popular recipes on our channel. Today we are going to add a couple of new ingredients at the end for a different flavor. These are the ingredients. Dashi is the key flavor of the soup, and today we are making simple katsuo dashi from dried bonito flakes. You can watch our how to make dashi video for different types of dashi. For udon noodles, we are using frozen udon today. You can find them at Japanese or Asian markets, or you can use dried udon noodles and boil according to the package. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we cut green onions thinly and diagonally. Set aside some greener parts for garnish. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. You can also use chicken breast or any meat or vegetables. Now we are going to make dashi. In boiling water, add the katsuobushi dried bonito flakes. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. And strain it. You can also use an instant dashi packet, but katsuo dashi made like this is so flavorful, especially for soup. We are going to season the broth with salt, soy sauce, mirin, sake, then add the chicken pieces. Bring to a boil and skim fat and other particles from the surface on the top. Add the udon noodles to the soup. The good thing about the frozen udon is they are perfectly cooked and you can just use them straight from the freezer. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes in the hot broth. Put in most of the green onions, including white parts, saving a little bit for garnish. Then turn off the heat. Serve into bowls immediately. Top with the rest of the green onions and add the shichimi hot peppers if you like. Using this basic udon soup, you can make many variations of udon dishes. Without changing the recipes, you can simply add some flavorings. Today we are adding some fresh ginger root, cut thinly like this. And pour a bit of sesame oil. Adding only 2 more ingredients will make the dish taste so different but tasty. We hope you like it.
美味しい。美味しいね。